Hey, it's Mike Snell with Remax Real Estate in Central Alberta. And I wanted to just do a quick video about some of the recent condominium changes that took effect as of January 1st, 2020. So I'm sure you've seen in the headlines in the news a lot about the insurance deductibles, and that is definitely one part of it. And I'll just kind of make a quick note of that at the end. But there are some other changes that happened more or less in regards to amendments to the condominium property regulation. Sounds exciting. That just sort of detailed the governance and operation confines for condominiums, including some rules and caps in regards to documents and fees. And that might seem minor, but there definitely has been over the years, it's kind of a Wild West way about it where corporations or management offices that were hired by corporations just sort of kind of had no rules and were able to do as they pleased. And in some circumstances throughout the province, documentations and dealing with them were getting very, very difficult. So the government has essentially put in caps in regards to fees for documentation, changed around how documentation looks. So instead of each page being considered a document, combining them into one information package that counts as a document. Also putting some timeline caps on it to say that documentation have to be given within a certain time period, but still helping corporations in regards to that if it is considered to be a rush and there can be an increase on fees. So it's a little give and take for both the consumer as well as corporations involved. And again, before it was just kind of whatever, whenever, and however the corporations chose, and that's been changed around a little bit. And same with management companies now have to define within the contracts of the corporations how their fee structure will work, and it has to stick to it. They can't just underbid and then open it up a little bit. And then, as I mentioned earlier, and I'm sure you've seen, there's been some changes in regards to how corporations can essentially go back after homeowners for their deductible. So if the corporation makes an insurance claim against some damage to a condominium, and that possibly originated in an owner's suite, and the corporation may be able to go back and collect back the deductible from that person. So all I can really say on that is I urge and encourage that if you are a condominium owner and you have not yet, to touch base with your insurance broker and or your insurance company, see what your options are, make sure you understand exactly what your policy is and what it covers and what it does cover, just to make sure that you're protected going forward. Any other questions, feel free to post in the comments. I'll do my best to answer. Send me a direct message via email and or text, and if I don't know it, I will get it and I'll get back to you 100%. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.